Switch through gears to your high gear. Turn the H screw so that the guide pulley is below the outer line of the smallest sprocket. Pedaling forward with one hand, push the derailleur to the easiest gear on the cassette. If the derailleur is not adjusted right, the chain will jump between the spokes in the cassette. Now we're going to go to our low gear adjustment. Adjust limit screw with the L letter next to it so that the guide pulley is aligned to the big sprocket. Pull the cable and get all the slack from the housing cable system. Loosen your anchor bolt and pull the cable to pull all the slack, then retighten your anchor bolt. Make sure the cable sits in the anchor bolt groove. Rotate through your gears, and if it still doesn't shift correctly, use your barrel adjuster to tighten and loosen the tension on the cable. Now we just want to shift through our gears and make sure everything's working properly. This is Brahi Bikes telling you to get out and ride.